Now we are going to start the game, right? So all of you, teacher is going to say the single sentence, single meaning. You all have to turn it to English. Okay, right. If you know, I will give the first round to group A and this side group B. First, I will give the opportunity to the group A. Group A, if you know the answer, you can raise your hand. If this group A doesn't know the answer, they don't know the answer, so it automatically goes to the team B, and you can raise your hand. Then you can say the answer. I will point out who can answer to me. Okay, right. First one goes to team A. Ada tamai re. I told you, if you know, raise your hand. Cut one bonus, cut one mark for him. Yes, Manuka.
2 9 is the 9.
Okay, 10 marks from team A for Manuka. Team A, huh? Okay. Next one goes to team B. Athattu vela inna. Yes?
Just wait over there.
Very good. Just wait over there. 10 marks for team B. Right. Next. Wilma goda sattu kala. Cut 1 mark for Sihan, 1 mark for Navindu. Cut. Okay? Yes.
You make me so happy.
Wow, excellent. Good job. You make me so happy. Right. Next round. Mama dawasama nikan hitiye. Mama mulu dawasama nikan hitiye. Yes, Nikesh?
I'm free all day.
I'm free all day. Very good. Right. Another marks for team B. Next. We are Mama Bayakala. We are Mama Bayakala. Yes, here?
You're making me nervous.
You making me nervous. You're making me nervous. Very good. Next. හැමදේටම සීමාවක් තියෙන්න ඕන. Yes, Situki?
There should be a limit for anything.
One more time.
There should be a limit for anything.
There should be a limit for anything. Yes. Okay. Right. ඔයා වැඩක් බලා ගන්න. Rion?
You mind your own business.
Very good. You mind your own business. Okay. Next. මට ඔයත් එක්ක කිසිම ඇති වැඩක් නැහැ. මට ඔයත් එක්ක කිසි වැඩක් නැහැ.
I don't have many business with you.
I don't have.
I don't have any business with you.
Very good. I don't have any business with you. Next. ඔයා ගිහලා ඔයා වැඩක් බලා ගන්න. Yes, here?
You mind your own business.
You mind your own business. You mind your own business. Okay. Me? පොඩි බබෙක් වෙන්න හදන්නේ හා? Cut 1 mark for Manuka. Not even 1. Cut 2 marks from Manuka. Right. පොඩි බබෙක් වෙන්න හදන්නේ හා? Yes, you.
Don't try to be a little baby.
What's Yashinu?
Don't try to be a little baby.
Give 1 mark for Yashinu. Oh my God. Very good. You're a big clap for Yashinu. He got the opportunity. Wow. Don't try to be a little baby. Okay, right. Next. Me. හැමදේටම සීමාවක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ. Yes?
There should be a limit for anything.
Very good. There should be a limit for anything. Okay. හැම මේ හොඳ අහුම්කම් දෙන්නෙක් වෙන්න. ඉස්සරහම හොඳට අහුම්කම් දෙන්න.
Be a good listener.
Be a good listener. Be a good listener. Next. හැම දෙයකම හොඳ පැත්තක් තියෙනවා. හැම දෙයකම හොඳ පැත්තක් තියෙනවා. හැම දෙයකම හොඳ පැත්ත දකින්න. හැම දෙයකම හොඳ පැත්ත දකින්න. I will give one more clue. Okay? Hint. See the, raise your hand if you know the rest of the words. See the, can we give another word? I will add another word. Raise your hand, don't say. See the bright side.
See the bright side
See the bright side.
of good.
Huh?
Of good.
See the bright side of everything. Okay? Minali, cut 10 marks, both groups. Okay? Right, next one. Silude anityai. This side. Silude anityai. Silude anityai. Okay, no one can get the chance. Silude anityai.
Everything is impermanent.
Very good. Everything is impermanent. Okay. This side. ඔයාට මොනවද තියෙන්නේ? ඔයාට මොනවද තියෙන්නේ?
What do you have?
No, wrong.
What do you have?
What do you have? What do you have? Minali, give 5 marks because we can't give the full marks because they took the second chance. Okay, next. ඔයා මොනවද බලන්නේ? Minali, cut another 10 marks from this group. Cut another 10 marks from this group. If any member behave not nice, we have to cut.
What are you looking for?
No, cut another 10 marks from him. I didn't ask you to say. Another 10 marks we have to cut. You have members, you should be in a proper way. You should use the proper manner. If you do something wrong, your group will be cut some marks. Okay? Right. Yes, Puta?
What are you looking for?
What are you looking for, little one? Very good. Okay. Right. Now we have a final result. Okay. We know, I know your marks. Team A. Ultimately, Team A got 50 marks. Team A got 50 marks. And the Team B got, guess and say how many? Guess and say how many?
100.
Not 100.
70.
Team B got 55 marks. Team B is the winner of this game. Very good. Okay, say all of you. Hip hip. Stand and say this side. We are the winners. Again. We are the winners. We got 55 marks. Wow. We did a great job. We did a great job. Right. Okay.